So you're looking for better audio. Well, might have the easy plug and play solution just for you.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs hit split. Man better breeze and sprint. It's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a Liverpool 4-4 and it is, so make sure it's...
Alright, now that we're inside the vehicle, first thing we're going to remove is the shift knob here. Let's go ahead and untwist it counterclockwise. Need I say more? It's pretty easy. Alright, and next up we're actually going to be removing this panel here, so go ahead and grab a thick plastic panel removal tool, or you can use your hands like I am and kind of just pull on it straight up, and this whole thing will come off. Right. So, and this we will also remove, just being held in by clips. Next, let's go ahead and remove this whole center console piece here. So go ahead and grab it and just pull straight up. All right, like so. All right, after that, let's go ahead and carefully remove this whole piece. As you can tell, it's just being held in by all these clips. So next, the hardest part of this installation is going to be this area here, and carefully use some plastic panel removal tools all alongside the bottom side here, and just going to pull it straight out towards you. Okay. All right, just like that. We have it out. This is the hardest part here. This we can just go ahead and leave there for now. This piece also just comes off with one single connector to remove, like so. After the center piece is removed, grab a thick blanket or towel. You don't need to remove any connectors, so just leave that there. And that way we can go ahead and get started on removing the head unit. Next, let's go ahead and remove the 4 10mm bolts. So go ahead and grab a 10mm socket and ratchet. And then the other two are going to be located towards the inner side, one in each corner. Okay, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but when you are removing it, you'll know. Okay, so there's one here, and one all the way on the passenger side. Next, go ahead and remove the head unit out and just pull it straight towards you. All right, just remove the head unit out like so. Here's our plug and play amplifier kit. Inside, let's go ahead and open her up. You will find our plug and play amplifier, the ENA 3T3 plug and play wiring harness, as well as the instructions manual and the mounting and foam tape. Now to get started, let's go ahead and first remove this green connector here, this white connector, and I'm only doing this because these two connectors are in our way of our actual connector that we need, which is this 28-pin gray connector here and this black 10-pin connector here. It's going to be a release tab on each connector. Just simply remove those. Up next, let's go ahead and open our plug and play amplifier harness, and the same two connectors that we just removed, our plug and play amplifier harness connects to. Now to install both, simply plug them in. Now before you do that, listen up and pay attention. Now if we take a close look at our harness's 28-pin connector, there's these very tiny delicate pins. Okay, now these pins are used to communicate and pretty much touch the factory side of the connector, and make sure that these pins are always straight and not bent, kinked, or damaged, as you may have an error code, your backup camera may not work, or you might have a different message. Okay, when that happens, send us an email. But first, before you do, double check these pins. Simply go ahead and connect them at a straight angle and make sure they're always pushed and clicked all the way in, like so. And then this side will go to the factory radio side, like so, just like that. Did I get you? Just kidding, guys, it's not actually in, okay? It may look like it's in, but it's not in. Make sure when you're pushing this in, you hear a click. Just like that, it clicked in. And we'll simply connect the black connector to the black connector, like so, and the other end will go back into the factory radio, like so. And always double check, make sure you plug in every single factory connector that you removed. Make sure everything is back to where it belongs, okay? Beautiful. All right, and from here, grab our plug and play amplifier kit, and here it is, our beautiful ENA 3T3. It does have RC outputs in case if you do want to add in a active subwoofer or a amplifier in the future, as well as 2 gain adjustment knobs, a front and rear gain adjustment dial. And always keep the auto sense set to speaker, that way our amplifier knows when to turn on. Now we've already listened to this Tundra before many times, and we like to refer customers to have the front gain dial knob at the 1 o'clock position in this 2020 Toyota Tundra with JBL, and keep the rear gains at the factory 50% position. All right, and from here it's pretty easy, guys. This white connector connects to our white connection port here. Make sure that locks in and clicks, and the gray connector goes here as well. All right, and if you notice on our ENA3T3 plug-and-play wiring harness, it does come with a separate remote wire output, and this one is mainly used to communicate to your aftermarket amplifier or subwoofer when to turn on and turn off. Since this customer won't be using it today, we're gonna wrap this up in electric tape, or you can leave the label on and just zip tie it, okay? And the reason I'm keeping the label on is so the customer knows in the future when they are ready to add in an aftermarket subwoofer, they know exactly where to tap into for the remote wire. All right, and included in our kit has some foam tape. It's gonna go ahead and wrap up both sides. So that way this protects the amplifier as well as reduces the rattling noise when we mount our amplifier behind the dashboard. And the way we're going to be mounting this amplifier is straight back of the radio and towards the right, okay? So here it is, and there's a little shelf back here, which is kind of perfect. And then this will move a little bit to the right. And you'll kind of feel it when you're back here. There's plenty of room to mount it. And we find that location is the best, because it fits nice and snug in there, that way it doesn't move around. All right, all that's left to do is put everything back. Carefully route the wiring harness in, make sure the clips line up, and simply give it a good firm push. And let's go ahead and bolt back the 410 millimeters we removed. And then with the climate control panel, we'll go ahead and plug back in the connector, match the clips, and push it on in. We'll do the same exact thing with the lower control panel here, match the clips, and just push it right on in. Let's go ahead and put back in the center console now. All right, and then we'll slide this piece right on in. And just make sure all the clips, everything line up. Clip on it, and we'll put the gear lever panel back on, clip that in, and last but not least, let's go ahead and re-screw in the shift knob. Sweet, and just like that, we've completed the installation of our ENA3T3 plug-and-play amplifier kit. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below with your question or inquiry, or send us an email, info@beatsonicusa.com. Now with your upgraded factory sound system, you can really enjoy the best out of your factory music system.
I heard man when I chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs hit the split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and it is, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to the kid. Shout out scope and I'll flat out wigs. Never seen X's with the eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Tell them man, go handle the fixture. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be yacked to the feet, you can wick me. I'll tell my man, put down the liquor. I ain't got none, don't care which means I lost them. Genie's out of the bottle when I ain't going back, so now I'm a problem. They can't land, I'm a pro or column. Living taking lives, I'm taking souls. See man's never been stolen. I take heads off, I leave them rolling, just like balls in bowling. I'm a fully charged in a machine like, man better be careful of me. I ain't just another MC, I'll spin your clock 360 degrees like line on set. Melody back to see she got a rating, but watch that decrease. Watch your whole team get smashed to pieces, don't puff out your chest like Reese's.
That's it, guys. Just like that. Very, very easy to install. And our ENA3T3 plug-and-play amplifier just fits right behind your dashboard. Super easy, kind of brainless, and only question you should be asking yourself is, why haven't you done this already, right? Leave a comment down below if you guys liked it. And if you guys have any questions or anything, always welcome to send us an email. That is info@beatsonicusa.com. Don't forget the USA. And we'll see you guys next time.